Hello friends, this is Dinesh Panchal from Navrachna University. This video is recorded as a part of Center for Continuing Education at Navrachna University. Here we offer customized training program for corporates, for educational institutes, for professionals and students. For more information, contact Mr. Dinesh Panchal from Navrachna University or visit our website. In this video, we will learn how to create a form which will act as a interface with the data entry person. In the earlier video, we saw how to create a table and queries. Now, let's create a form through which data entry or data manipulation can be done for the table patient. Double click on the table patient. It will open this table in a view mode. Now go to create tab. In the create tab, in the form section, select the option form. This will create a form for the table which is open. By default, all the fields of the form will be visible here. You can add or remove as per your requirement. Now you can see here this particular field has been highlighted as an orange rectangle. You can place your cursor on the right hand end of this rectangle. Click your left hand mouse button and drag towards the left side to reduce, drag towards the right side to increase the width of the field. If you want to see how the form will look like, you can go to the view option here, which is available on left hand top corner. Now to navigate among the records, we want to add few buttons. Note that at the bottom of the form here, this navigation is available, but we want to make the forms more user friendly. So go to the drop down option of the form on the view section. Select design view. This is the canvas where the forms was designed using the available fields. This section is the main form sections. We want to add few buttons here which will help us to go to the previous record or next record, add new record or delete a record. Since the form is in design view, you will have form design tools available. Click on that. Locate options, which is a rectangle. Position cursor here. It will show the message as button. Click on that and with the left hand mouse button, click and drag to place one button onto this form. This action will initiate a process for the required action for this button. There are various categories of the actions like record navigation, record operations, form operation, report operation, application, miscellaneous. We will use record navigation. In the record navigation, we have multiple actions. From this, select an action of going to the previous record. Click on the next button. On this button, either a picture with this arrow can be used or you can give some text. Let's say we'll keep the text as previous. Now click on next and finish. So this previous button has been placed. If you click on this button in the view mode, the Microsoft Access will take you to the previous record. Now similarly, let's put up one more button for next record. Again, the options will be available. So from here we'll select go to next record. Click on next. Again, let's place only a text onto this. Click next and finish. So the next, you can size the button as per your requirement by moving your cursor to the edge of the button and then with the left click of your mouse drag it. Now let's add a button to add a record. So now this time note that it is no more a record navigation, it's a record operation, because here we can add a new record, delete a record, duplicate a record, print a record, save a record, or undo a record. So in our case we want to add a new record through this button. So select that action. Let's have a text add only and finish. Again, you can resize the button as per your requirement. Now add the one more button to delete a record. Again, it will be in record operations. Delete a record. Next, in the text window, go to the delete section. Delete, just keep the word delete. Then next and finish. So this way we have kept place 4 buttons to navigate through the records, to add a record or to delete a record. Let's first save this form by clicking the save button. Let's keep the name as patient entry. Click OK. Now go and see in view mode how this form will look like. So right now we are on the first of the 4th record. So if I click next, it will take me to the next record. I can go to the previous. If I want to add a record at any point of time, I can have a add button. So just let me add a dummy record 999-123. The first name as, let's say, Dinesh, last name as Panchal, gender as male. It will not take a male because this particular field has been masked or limited to only 1 character size. Let's say phone number is 352-123-1239. Date of birth, let's say 29 July 1975. And the appointment location, let's select the location Jacksonville. Now if I press tab at this stage, it will save the record. So now it's at the 5 of 5 records. Now you can close this form, close this table as well. In the home tab, just open the patient table. The patient table will open with the new record, that's Dinesh Panchal, which was added through the form. Let's go to the form and delete this record. So I can go here, through the next button I will locate the record called Dinesh. I will delete. So you are about to delete one record, yes, let's say one, yes. So now we have deleted the record. You can refresh to have that effect into your table. So now you can see it's only one of 4 records. You can close this form, open the tables, and you'll see only the 4 records are there. This is a very basic format of a form. You can design a complex form. In the next video, I plan to cover reports based on tables. Thank you very much.